아까 영어 하던데.
한국어로 빙떡 빙떡.
It's like a big chili pepper. Yeah, okay. Quite a lot, but.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on
Oh, it's actually snowing. It doesn't really feel cold enough to snow, but on my way down to this market. Yeah, first day here. It's going to be pretty relaxed. Get some supplies. Our Saudi, RS4. I think this place is going to be very busy. Cars everywhere. This place is huge.
Jeju Island traditional.
Yeah? What's it made from?
무름에 액션.
못 알아듣겠다고.
아니 뭐랑 무름에 물어보면
영어라 보니까 잘 못 알아듣는다.
아까 영어 하던데.
한국어로 빙떡 빙떡. 빙빙 빙떡.
Ah, beans. No, no animals, no fish, no anything, no?
메밀.
Just vegetables.
네,
Inside the
페이스북도.
radish.
Just vegetables, yeah?
예.
Ah,
Inside the
yeah.
radish.
Ah, radish, yeah, okay.
이거 buckwheat.
어, 잘났습니다.
Ah.
우리나라에서 장사되면이 알아야 돼.
아니 여기 줄 서야 돼.
원래 제주. 제주.
From here, traditional, yeah?
제주.
10,000원 포장해 주세요. 줄 서서. 아, 네네네. 제가 10,000원 받았어요. 예.
I'm gonna try some.
원피스 1,000원.
2,000? Two, yeah? Thank you.
1,000원.
You take two for the second one? Okay.
이거 하나 더 말아.
Yeah.
나 한국말 하시네. 예. 예.
Yeah. Wow.
직접 드릴까요? 네.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. So this is traditional Jeju food. So good. Like chopped radish inside. Wow, they were so good. So good. Good job. It's clearly a popular place to eat. Bag full, then put another handful in this bag. So, got my bag. Let's get some supplies. Just one? Just one? Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. There's like a big chili pepper, and like a batter. Can I get hot Americano, please? Hot Americano?
Yeah.
Yeah, just one, please.
Ice.
No hot.
Hot.
Hot,
Okay.
yeah, please. Thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, just only one, yeah, yeah. And small bag. Small one. No, small. How much? Yeah, okay. Quite a lot. Brown rice? 5,000 here? Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Just been in a supermarket, just up near to the main market where I've just been. Wow, my God, it was absolutely rammed. I have never seen a supermarket so busy. It must be like shopping day for all the Koreans in Jeju, because it was literally just rammed. Honestly, it was just every man for themselves in there. I couldn't find a basket, so I was having to carry the things in my hands. And everybody's got these big trolleys everywhere, and it was just crazy. But I think I've got pretty much everything that I need. That is it.